In this video, I'll show you how to restore missing menu bars and toolbars in AutoCAD using a quick and easy fix that can save you a lot of frustration. If your menu bar suddenly disappears, start by clicking the small drop-down icon near the top of the interface and select Show Menu Bar to bring it back instantly. For missing toolbars or the ribbon, head to the command line, type ribbon, and press enter. This usually restores the full toolbar layout right away. These issues often happen because of accidental workspace changes, hidden interface settings, or corrupted profiles, so knowing these shortcuts can help you recover quickly without restarting the program. It's also a good idea to save a custom workspace once everything looks correct, making it easier to restore your preferred layout in the future. If the ribbon still doesn't appear, switching workspaces can sometimes solve the problem as well. Overall, understanding these basic interface fixes can make working in AutoCAD much smoother and less stressful. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you solve problems faster and work more efficiently.